We're making a creamy Easter dessert, wrapped in chocolate and filled with apricots and raisins. But first, let's see the final result. A gentle dusting of powdered sugar. And here's the cross-section. Soft, rich, and packed with dried fruit. Yep, this one's worth a spoon. Let's make it. We start by melting 3 bars of milk chocolate into a microwave-safe bowl and gently heat until smooth. Then pour into a silicone mold. And brush it up the sides to form a chocolate shell. Next, we make the custard base. Pour in 300 grams of heavy cream. Add 3 egg yolks. (100 grams of sugar). And 5 grams of vanilla. Heat it slowly until it just begins to bubble. Then take it off the stove and let it cool. In another bowl, we mash fresh cottage cheese. Smooth it out so it's creamy. Then mix in 100 grams of soft butter. And combine with our cooled custard. It already smells amazing. Now chop up 70 grams of dried apricots. And add them in, along with 70 grams of raisins. Mix well. This is your creamy filling. Scoop it into the chocolate mold and press it down with a silicone spatula. Now we freeze it for about an hour, just enough to set. Once it's firm, take it out of the mold. Look at that smooth shell, so satisfying. Place it on a plate and decorate with strawberries, blueberries, and a few mint leaves. A final dusting of powdered sugar. And we're done. One slice, one bite. And that's your homemade Easter magic. No oven needed. Just a little time. And a lot of taste.